Hello, good morning to the honorable judges and everyone listening to this presentation video. I'm Wong Junyong from Team MY137 under the supervision of my advisor, IRGWA, and we are from University Tunku Abdul Rahman, Lee Kong Chian Faculty of Engineering and Science. My project title is Start Building System using augmented reality and voice recognition, and I hope you all enjoy this presentation. Okay, let's talk about some problems we face in our daily lives. Electric bills are one of the unavoidable costs for every employer who runs a commercial or office building, and the cost will surely cause a big headache for them if not wisely managed. One of the reasons for expensive electric bills is due to energy wastage, where electrical appliances being left idle or not turned off after use. There are also appliances and equipment left turned on unnecessarily. Although the amount of wastage might not look significant compared to the other liabilities and varies between premises depending on the size, without a doubt, solving the issue will lighten the load on electrical usage. Another problem for employers is to prepare an ideal working condition for employees since it directly affects their working efficiency, and many businesses fail their employees in terms of providing healthy working environment. Working room temperature, air humidity, and air quality are three of the most commonly faced issues while providing a perfect working condition. Failing to fulfill HVAC code requirement is already proven to cause health issues such as sick building syndrome and eventually leads to a reduced productivity level. For the problem stated just now, there are already some solutions for it, but there are also some limitations for tackling the problems. For the first problem, the energy wastage problem. I know almost every company boss or the employers will try anything to remind their employees to save energy, just like the one I had my internship last year. The boss will keep reminding us on meetings, and I can see notices or reminder like switch off when not in use here and there, basically everywhere. But we all know that in every office, there will always be one guy, or maybe more than that, forget turning off the equipment or appliances after use, no matter how many times being reminded. And for my studies, some offices have implemented presence sensor to tackle this issue, but until today, most of the offices still manually turning on or off appliances and equipment. And the second problem is uncomfortable working environment causing health issue. All companies will tackle this problem by installing all kinds of equipment, allowing the office user or their employees to regulate the HVAC level in the office. But the problem is, they don't know the current HVAC level and don't even know the suitable HVAC level. This surely will lead to unnecessary use of equipment. For example, turning on the air humidifier even though the air humidity in the room is already at the ideal level, causing energy wastage. So, no worries. Our project provides different solutions to overcome those limitations. So, for the second problem, an AR interface will be provided to monitor HVAC levels through mobile phone, and the equipment or regulator will be turned on automatically if needed and will only turn on when working environment drops out of the range of ideal HVAC level, unless manually controlled to do so. So, to tackle the first problem, the presence sensor will be implemented and the status of appliances and equipment can be monitored using mobile application if users are not sure about whether he has pushed the off button, and he can turn off the equipment by using voice recognition using mobile phone. So our smart building systems target for implementation will be any kind of commercial or office buildings, or it can even be any university buildings that use a lot of equipment or appliances in the building. And then the impact, or can be known as the advantage of our system, will be we are able to reduce energy wastage and control the activation or deactivation of electrical appliances and equipment using voice. Or more than that, We can provide AR visualization and history data on HVAC level in the office. With the data recorded in the history data, we can even carry out the predictive maintenance on the equipment or appliances installed in the office. For the design methodology, the backbone of our system will be the microcontroller named particle photon. And we are also using infrared sensor for detecting human presence, PMA280 for measuring temperature and humidity level, MQ135 for measuring air quality level. And then besides that, we also use a number of LEDs to represent the activation or deactivation of electrical appliances and equipment. For the software part, Blink is used for develop a mobile application for monitoring and controlling purposes. IFTTT and Google Assistant are used for developing the voice recognition function. Unity Game Engine and Visual SDK are for develop the AR interface. And lastly, the ThinkSpeed is used for data recording and visualization. For the significance of our project, our smart building system is able to reduce energy wastage by utilizing the presence sensor. We are also able to control activation or deactivation of appliances using voice. Furthermore, our system provides AR visualization and history data on HVAC level in the room. By comparing to other systems, our mobile application only requires small storage space which only takes up to 198 MB in the phone. By utilizing history data recorded on the cloud, predictive maintenance on electrical appliances can be carried out. Our project can also be considered as low-cost solution as one set of the system is only cost below 200 ringgit. Since our system is an IoT project, so it has heavy dependence on internet, so it can only operate under stable internet environment. Regarding the future work for improvement, more advanced sensor with higher precision or longer detection range could be used. In conclusion, our smart building system is able to overcome the problems stated and also the current solutions limitations listed in the previous slide. But the fact that our product is an IoT product means that the product has heavy internet dependence and there are still a lot of works to be done for future improvement. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.